Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? This clown's a street I get gas in her, yeah, I'm a player, yeah, she won't fuck with me, yeah, baby.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another video. As y'all have read by the title, today I'm coming at y'all with this video for this amazing hair that I received from Afsisterwig. So I've worked with Afsisterwig about 2 other times, and honestly I have to say this is by far like my favorite hair that they've sent me. My eyelashes look so freaking big on this camera, you guys. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but my eyes just look so big. Oh my god, I don't want to keep looking at myself though. Like, this hair is definitely next level. This is my favorite. Oh my god, everybody has been hearing me say how much I love this hair. This hair is literally so freaking bomb, you guys. And I just already hopped into the pros, but let me go ahead and get started with my installation video. And then after my installation, I'm going to come back and tell you guys all about this really amazing Swiss lace and also more information about these curls. But let's go ahead and get started. And before I jump in, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell so that you never miss another video that I post.
People acting. People acting. People acting. People acting.
This is how the curls are. They're really tight right now. I'm gonna comb them out so that they look a lot more loose. And this is the hairline before I did anything to it. All I did was bleach this unit, so it definitely came pre-plucked. I'm just gonna customize it up just a little bit more so that it looks a little less dense around the perimeter, and then I'm gonna get to styling. But I think this perimeter looks really good. I'm just gonna tweak it a little bit.
People acting. People acting. People acting. People acting.
So that was it for my installation tutorial. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys how much I am loving this hair. But before I start, I just want to go ahead and start off with talking about this Swiss lace design. So if you don't know, a lot more companies are using Swiss lace for their wigs, and it's because it's really soft and thin. So I actually kept a piece of the lace from this unit before I cut it off, and I just want to do like a little side-by-side comparison of Swiss lace with a regular lace wig. Regular lace is usually thicker, darker. Sometimes companies tint it, but Swiss lace is basically invisible. It's really clear on your skin. Like, I have a piece of Swiss lace right here, and you can barely tell it's there, and you can honestly barely tell it's there on my head as well. I've had this hair in for a couple of days, so my lace is getting a little I think this lace is really amazing. Basically, it looks like this is definitely one of the most natural wigs that I've ever had. Without the negative, this compares to hair spells, because hair spells used to be like my favorite curly hair. This is probably my new favorite curly hair because this lace is honestly everything. I'm just talking. So basically what I want to show you guys is how this looks on my skin. So as you can see, this is it. Of course, this is probably what it would look like if it was glueless. It's basically invisible. And now when I take some Got2b, once I put that Got2b in there, it literally melts into my skin. So it's like this Skin Melt Wig. And you guys, this lace is definitely living up to its name. So it's crazy how it basically just disappears right into my skin. Like, it's crazy. And it looks even better in real life. I know this camera is really HD, so you might see it a little bit more, but in real life, I've honestly feel like this is like such good quality. It came pre-plucked, so honestly I customized it for probably like no more than 10 minutes, probably not even 5 minutes, honestly, because it already looked nice and ready to go. I just wanted to make it look a little bit more natural. So the advantages of the Swiss lace is that it's invisible and undetectable. It blends in on all skin tones, and it's breathable fabric. And then they said it's thinner, softer, lightweight, and durable, and it reduces friction to your natural hair. That's cool. I'm so crazy, I literally just started talking without even giving you guys the specs, just because I had so much to say about this hair, because I've just been raving about it. I don't want to take it out of my head yet. Like I said, this is their curly wig. It's their real Swiss lace wig, and this hair is 24 inches, and I got 150% density. And this 150% density really seems more like 180% density to me, y'all, but I'm just gonna stand up and show you guys what the hair looks like on me. And as you can see, these curls are just so freaking voluminous. Like, oh my god, if I had hair like this, you guys, I would be the one. Well, I am the one because I have this hair. So if you want to be the one, get this hair. This is honestly low-key a short 24 inches, because 24 inches is usually down here on me, so this looks a lot more like 22 inches. This hair is bomb. Like, I'm really not tripping. If it was longer though, I would low-key be unstoppable. The best thing, in my opinion, is that it looks freaking seamless. Like, I can't really see the lace. I can see the lace a little bit right here, but like I said, I've had this hair in for a couple of days. But for the most part, I think it looks really great. I think it looked even better when I first installed it. When I first installed it, it literally looked like it was coming straight out of my scalp. Like, it was kind of scary. All I did was my curly hair routine, and I spruced up my baby hair a little bit. I did cut the baby hair on this and customize it as well. Yeah, this hair was basically ready to go. All I had to do was bleach the knots. It came in this box, and inside of the box, the hair was in a bag. It was in this net. This was inside of the wig. It came with a little elastic band that you could clip onto the inside of the wig, but I didn't use it. And then it also came with some wig caps. That's my skin color. Thank you for that. Love when you guys send me these. I just wish they sent a bag for this wig, but this is what it came in. And it came in 3 days. It came really quickly. I love Afsisterwig. I've always loved working with them. The first time I worked with them, they sent me a 613 unit, and I dyed it ash blonde. The second time that I worked with them, they sent me like a silver unit. It was a really nice color. I've always liked working with Afsisterwig. Their wigs are really nice. They have good quality, but this is definitely like my favorite. Like this curly hair is freaking flawless. So for my maintenance, what I've been doing is just going to sleep with this hair in 2 braids, put a scarf over the perimeter of my hair to keep my baby hair laid, and then I just put on a bonnet and go to sleep. When I wake up in the morning, I take the braids out, do my curly hair routine. I literally just drench the hair, and then I take some of my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Enhancing Smoothie and I put it in the hair, and then I use a Denman brush to comb it out. If y'all want to see my curly hair routine, I'll put it in the cards or in the description box below. And then it freaking dries up super duper quick, and poof, it gets like big. And I love that it's like big curly hair. The quality of this hair, because this hair is so freaking bomb. Like I've had no shedding, no tangling. It came basically ready to go. All I had to do was bleach the knots. Barely customized it. It came pre-plucked. Curls voluptuous. What more can I say? I don't know. So that was basically it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a big giant thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below how you're feeling about this hair, if you like it, if you love it. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.